This video describes the steps to install a PFA220 floor scale with the IND231 terminal. You will need the following items: a PFA220 scale, an IND231 terminal, scissors, a T20 Torx screwdriver, a small and large flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a size 8 hex key driver, a crowbar, eye bolts, a lifting strap, the IND231 technical manual, and the PFA220 operation and technical manual. For this video, we'll be working on a PFA220 EE1500 scale. Before installing the scale, ensure that these following site conditions are met. The floor surface is flat and leveled within 5 mm of height difference. The floor or foundation is rigid and capable to support the maximum scale load, proper drainage, minimal surrounding wind or vibrations. Open the IND231 terminal's packaging. Check that the product and parts are complete. Next, unpack the PFA220 floor scale by removing the straps and packaging. Install the two given eye bolts on each side of the floor scale as shown. Attach the lifting strap to the eye bolts. Lift up the floor scale and place it on a workbench. Remove all the shipping feet. Lift up the scale and place it back on the floor. Inspect the platform, junction box, load cell and its suspension assemblies for any deformation or damage. Remove the eye bolts from the scale. Ensure that the scale's platform is level using the level bubble. If the bubble is not centered, remove the hex screw on the affected corner of the platform using a size 8 hex key driver. Adjust the load cell foot's height using a large flathead screwdriver. Recheck the centering of the level bubble again. Ensure that the 4 feet are firmly on the ground. Check by nudging the platform up with a crowbar around each corner. If the platform is easily lifted in a corner, its corresponding load cell's foot needs to be lowered further. Once leveled, secure the hex screws back on the platform. Open the scale's junction box compartment by removing the 2 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the junction box from the compartment. Install the home run cable through the cable gland on the compartment cover as shown. Put the junction box back to the compartment and firmly tighten the gland to establish a proper grip. Retighten the compartment cover. Open the IND231's enclosure using the T20 Torx and large flathead screwdrivers. Pass the home run cable into the terminal through an appropriate cable gland. Based on the diameter of the cable, if necessary, use the rubber grommet provided with the terminal to seal around the cable. Connect the cable to the load cell termination strip according to the PFA220 manual. Close the IND231's enclosure tightly. Retighten the sealing screws. Plug in the power cord and power up. This concludes our video on installing the PFA220 floor scale with the IND231 terminal.